Here's another quick video tutorial trying to teach you how to find the probability of simple events using complementary events. Let's quickly review what a complementary event is. Two events are complementary if one or the other must happen, but they cannot happen at the same time. The sum of the probability of an event and its complement is 1 or 100%. So we have Aaron who has a bag of marbles, and some are yellow, red, blue, green, and he's going to be picking one of those marbles. What is the probability that Aaron does not choose a green marble? So I'm going to solve this using the complement idea. So if Aaron reaches in and selects one marble, it is impossible for him to get a marble that's either green or not green, correct? So therefore, we have a complement event situation. So I'm going to take the probability of green, add it with the probability of not green, and the sum will be 100%. So the probability of green, if you take a look here, 1, 2, 3, 4 green marbles, that's 40%, because in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 out of 10 would give us 40% for green. And I'm going to leave the probability of not green as written like this, and the sum will be equal to 100. So if I solve a simple one-step equation, I'll be subtracting 40 to this equation, and therefore the probability of not green would be 60%.